Today, we're launching Evals in Hex. We're in the context studio and can see we've got a lot of people using the Hex Agent on top of the context we've already set up. But let's say I want to make a change to my context. How do I know it's actually going to make things better? That's why we built Evals, to let you measure the performance of the Hex Agent and see the impact of your changes. Evals are just test questions that run against your agent. Each eval has rubrics. I can see the agent got the right answer, use the correct table, and you can define all sorts of other tests too. You can define your evals as code and run them from the Hex CLI using your terminal, or it works great from any coding agent. When you want to make a change, you can create a fork of your context that we call a context preview. You can run evals against this context preview, so you can test your changes before they hit production. Evals let you optimize the cost and quality of the Hex Agent. You may be tempted to use the most powerful model for every question, but I ran this test and I can see this cheaper open source model is performing just as well as Opus. I'm going to switch over the default. The more people adopt AI tools, the more you're going to need confidence in the changes you're making to your context. We're building tools to support this full life cycle. You can get started today. Just update your CLI and run your first evals.